In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone numbers in Asana. We'll start by signing in. Open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google to move through the process quickly. Select the Google account you use for your Asana workspace and complete any prompts that appear. Once you land in Asana, you'll see your home or recent projects. Next, open the specific project where you want to store phone numbers. From the project view, look toward the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel that lets you tailor how your project works. In that panel, select Fields. Fields are the columns you see in your list. They're perfect for standardizing information like phone numbers, so every task captures the same details. Click Add, then choose Create New. You'll be prompted to define the new field. Give it a clear, recognizable name like phone number so teammates immediately know what belongs there. Now set the field type. Open the field type dropdown and select Number. Using a number field ensures the column expects numeric input, which keeps your data clean and consistent. Before creating the field, adjust the formatting so it's practical for phone details. Locate the decimal places option and change it to 0. This prevents Asana from displaying decimal points, which don't belong in phone numbers. Keeping it at 0 also helps maintain a tidy, call-ready format across your tasks. When you're happy with the name and settings, click Create Field. Asana will add the field to your project and show it as a new column in the list view. You can now click into any task and type the phone number directly into that column. Aim for consistency. Enter digits only and include the full number. If your team uses international numbers, consider adding the country code at the start without symbols so it stays purely numeric. As you and your teammates begin filling in data, Asana will save changes automatically. Because this is a project-level custom field, everyone in the project can see it and use it, which helps keep contact details standardized and easy to find. If you ever notice numbers showing oddly, double-check that the decimal places are set to 0 and that only digits are being entered. That's it. You've created a clean, dedicated phone number field in your Asana project, making it simple to capture and reference contact details across tasks.